If you're looking for one of the best VPNs in 2026 and don't want to pay full price, this video is exactly what you need. Right now, you can get NordVPN at a discounted price using an active NordVPN coupon deal. I've placed the official discount link in the description and in the pinned comment, so you don't need to enter any code manually. Just click the link and the discount is applied automatically. So why is NordVPN worth grabbing with a coupon? NordVPN is one of the most trusted VPN services in the world, known for fast speeds, stable connections, and strong security. It works across all major platforms, including Windows, Mac, Android, iPhone, smart TVs, and more, making it easy to protect all your devices. One of NordVPN's standout features is threat protection, which helps block ads, trackers, and malicious websites before they can load. This not only improves privacy, but also makes browsing faster and cleaner without needing extra extensions. Normally, NordVPN is priced as a premium service, but with the NordVPN coupon code, you can get full access to all features for a much lower monthly price, especially on longer plans. To claim the deal, simply click the NordVPN coupon link in the description or the pinned comment. Choose your plan, and the discounted price will be shown at checkout. And remember, NordVPN also comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it risk-free and get a refund if it's not the right fit for you. So if you want a fast, secure, and reliable VPN without overpaying, this NordVPN coupon deal is absolutely worth using. If this video helped you out, make sure to like it, leave a comment if you have questions, and subscribe for more VPN deals.